Today we get to go kayaking down a river, and we're gonna go see like this fall or whatever. So I'm getting ready for the trip and she's reading. Alright, so we got our dry bag here. We're gonna put all our stuff in here.
Hi, Richard.
Hi, Richard.
Yeah. Richard is the third best driver out of two. We reports are effect. Don't do the lazy boy action, start going down because it hurts your back. And being a lazy boy, all you're working is on the top half, arms and shoulders. Just make doing this after you work hard.
You say left, you go left, and you say right. We're gonna die.
Say it ain't so. Oh, run out.
Good, whichever the hand.
Use your right hand to push on the rock here.
Fun. This is a squatter. Huh? So weird. Oh, you're buying things.
Easier song, guys. The alphabet. Okay, Baba Black season. Come on. Stop shushing me back. The roots will actually shoot out where there's more moisture and just keep going on you. So you'll see a lot of these trees kind of like come out like almost like centipedes almost. But if you've never seen this before, it actually is like in movies too. Hunger Games 2, Catching Fire, that whole beast team is filmed off of Oahu. And when they're getting chased in the fogger in their skin, these are the trees the roots are running through in that part. Now, if you guys came here about what, maybe about 7-8 months ago, and for a whole year before that, we had so much rainfall that this area that we're walking in right now, this boardwalk, was actually a knee to waist deep mud pit.
Whoa.
And in this area, this is how we used to lose a lot of the footwear in the mud pit. And what people would want to do is not go in the mud pit and they go up on these root sections, but end up on the other side of the root, the other side of the cliff, I'd say, or back in the mud pit, or we'd have some crazy sprained ankles, twisted ankles, or broken ones.
Oof.
So, woohoo for boardwalk!
Nice. Walk after there.
Oh, you're gonna walk under the...
You don't want to do it?
Not under that, no. I'll stand nearby and watch.
You don't want to come with?
We'll walk far away.
Well, I'm just going to start around this way.
Oh, man, it's a cow!
Here we go. Yeah, the worst case scenario comes off the falls, but other than that, continue right. Hold on. Alright, you come back around and go underneath. Watch your feet! Step high! Isn't that cool? I was doing, That was really fun!
Almost got myself.
So this is kind of like where we've been. It's been really cool to see different places, like where movies have been shot. For example, up here on the right, so if you see where those two trees are, there's a little grassy plain over here. You probably saw pictures earlier. That is actually where the Indiana Jones escaped from the giant rolling boulder with the idol and the tribesmen. He actually came out, or they actually filmed it on location over here, this little grassy plains. Hey, so we just got done kayaking the Wailua River, and we're actually on our way to get some shaved ice. Not shaved, it's shaved ice apparently. That's what they pronounce it. At the
Apparently it's a big deal.
Yeah, apparently it's a big deal. At the Fat General Store. I thought kayaking was a blast. It was a little, at first it was a little, I just was like, I don't know what we're doing. It was really cool to kind of just go in like a smaller stream and then also get out and hike and go hiking. It was really cool to see just kind of like the different trees and brush and growth. Like I really did feel like I was in, Indiana Jones, or I was in some like jungle or something like that. So that was really cool for me. And it was, the waterfalls were awesome. Really loved going to the waterfalls. That was very fun on that. It was about 125 foot waterfall is what they were saying.
My take on it, it was fun. I'm glad we went. I actually liked learning all the different things about Hawaii and things like the sea hibiscus in my hair. Where on your left side, it means that you're taken. Where on your right, you're saying I'm searching. And there's some other weird things in between. But yeah, it's really pretty. I guess I really liked all the interesting facts and stuff that we learned about it. That's kind of stuff I like. The waterfalls in the pool were really fun. I was scared to do some of the waterfall stuff, but Jer Bear was like, no, come with us. I was like, I want to go if you go. And so then he went out with me, and that was really fun. Kind of scary, but fun.
Oh, it's up my head.
Guys, I'll do a song that sums up our whole tour right now. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the river and the river. Best tour guide right there, guys. And welcome, Justin.